Hello my good people, I welcome you especially back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing great today. Normally as we do, we're here once again to update you guys on the latest. Okay guys, I have an interesting video to show you guys. You need to listen to the moments Chief Nnia Nwodo recalls Obi's humility as a young student. He says so many good things about Mr. Peter Obi. He recalled how Obi used to clean the house, cook and do so many other things. Okay guys, before we go into the full details and I play the video for you guys, this is still your favorite channel, UG Media TV. If you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please do us a favor and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get our latest videos as soon as we drop them. Well, Mr. Peter Obi is known to be a humble person right from time. But what Nwodo said about Obi here will shock you. You need to listen to him. And don't just listen to him, make sure you share this video to other people so that they will also know this good part about Peter Obi. Well, Peter Obi showed up in Enugu for the 70th birthday celebration of the former President General of Ohaneze Ndigbo, Chief John Nnia Nwodo. Not just Peter Obi, Obasanjo, Adebanjo, even Ugwuanyi, the governor of Enugu State, all of them was there.
My Lord Bishop, I hope that I will not break your protocol, but there are some people here, 3 of them, that I would like to greet you people. The first of them is one I would call a junior brother of mine. He and my wife's junior brother were classmates in secondary school as well as in university. They used to come to my house on holidays. And when they come to my house on holidays, before I wake up, I see them washing my cars. They both had very outstanding parents, and the humility they displayed, that they came on holidays, and before we wake up, they are cleaning the house and washing the car. Of course, they stole the car to go out once in a while. But my brother-in-law is dead, Emeka, may his soul rest in peace. But his friend and boss, His Excellency Peter Obi, is here. Peter, I thank you for cancelling your campaign schedules and honoring my parish with your visits. I have a father here, in fact 2 fathers. One of them is the celebrated leader of the Yorubas, Chief Ayo Adebanjo. The other one was chairman of Southeast Traditional Rulers, but a man of outstanding integrity, impeccable character, and we hold him in great awe for the way he carries himself as one of our most revered traditional rulers in this part. His Highness the Obi of Onitsha, Chief Alfred. The 4th person is my junior brother, but my governor, His Excellency Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi. Governor Ugwuanyi, my children and I are extremely grateful to you for all the courtesies you and your government have offered my committee of friends and myself to ensure that this celebration goes on successfully. May God bless you. I'd like to greet my brothers and sisters, Knights of St. John. You are my spiritual strength. Your spiritual comradeship fortifies our faith. I look forward every month that we meet, sanitize ourselves through the sacrament of penance, worship God, and hold our meetings. I thank God that I am one of you, and thank you for all the honor that you've done us today. We will have time when we get to the hall to acknowledge the very many important personalities here. But I would like to ask my governor to do me a favor by introducing the only one I haven't introduced here. He's our Baba. And when he was president, he pampered me so much that he used to take me to his squash court and ask me to play squash with him. I tried to make sure that I never beat him so that the state security do not arrest me for beating a president in the squash court. When I finished my tenure as President General for Hanese, some of my friends wanted to give me a sent-forth party, but there was COVID and it was stopped. He offered to share that party. I'd like my friend Chief Okwi Emejulu to please stand up wherever he is and take acknowledgement as chairman of my committee of friends. Chief Emejulu, please put your hands together for him. If he's not there, I'm sure he's running around to put things together. So when my committee of friends approached him through the Secretary General of Ohanese, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo not only agreed to come to chair my reception, but when I went to his house to find out whether it was true, when I mentioned, sir, I wanted to know whether you had reacted to my letter about my birthday. Sir, I'm coming. He walked to his office and came back with a notebook, which was his diary of events, and another sheet, which was confirmed events. It had number 1, Chief John Nnia Nwodo's 70th birthday, 10 a.m., St. Mulumba. I said the church is in St. Mulumba, sir, but the reception is somewhere. He said, don't you want me to pray with you in your church? And I said, my church has never received a former head of state. We shall be ecstatic to receive you. His Excellency, Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the microphone is yours.
Respectfully observing all protocol, Chief John Nnia Nwodo, congratulations. Baba, our daddy, our leader, the great Olusegun Obasanjo, I've been asked to invite you. God bless you, sir.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. My Lord Spiritual, my two brothers here were trying to shirk their responsibilities. Anyhow, congratulations. Many happy returns.
Okay guys, una don see am now. Thank you for watching till the end. Well, as you can see, Obi's humility didn't start today. It has been in him ever since he was young, according to Nwodo. Well, I believe his humility is part of the thing that is attracting support, people support to himself. You understand? Okay, guys, thank you for staying tuned to the end. Please do us a favor and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Go to the comment section, tell us what you feel about what is being said about Obi, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and God bless you.